Hi guys, hello from Moscow, from Russia. It is already about getting dark in Moscow. It is 4 o'clock in the day, in the evening, and I still haven't had lunch today, so I think it's a good idea to eat something together. And today I'm going to cook pelmeni, not cook, just boil. So if you want to have a try, stay tuned. Firstly, what we need to do is turn on the light. Let's have a look outside. In 30 minutes, it will be already dark, getting dark. And the lightening in this flat is not really good. So, first of all, we need to turn on our stove. This dirt, like, I don't know, unwashable. I've tried to clean it, but I think it will be here for keeps. This is my, and need to put here water, cold water. And we need to wait for quite a long time until it boils, because this stove is really old and it works slowly. Probably to fasten this process, it will be better to put some salt. Okay, probably it's enough. While waiting, I want to show you my coffee. I bought it yesterday at the supermarket. The new one, the new taste, Soul of Istanbul, intensity 5 out of 10, premium ground coffee. Also, we have Soul of Rome and Soul of Havana. Medium roast. I still don't have a set, so I'm going to put it into a cup. And also I bought tea. It's like my previous tin, and I've already put it here with lemon slices. The taste is really good. So this is for my purchases. Really nice old wool cloth with sunflowers. And let's put out my pelmeni. Ice. And have a look. Boil for 10 minutes. Chicken and dill. $80, not 80, 800 gram. And the way they look like typical pelmeni, round. Oh, sorry guys, it's quite difficult to do it with one hand, so here they are. I'm going to eat them with butter, so it will be a good idea to find butter here. Also, I have sour cream. This is cheese sour cream, but I don't like it, so it's for my mom. She likes. Oh my god. And this is a cake also. We are going to eat it together. So the water boils. Putting down into the water. How many? 12, I think. 5 is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Six, 7, 8, 9. 12. It also will be a good idea to put a bay leaf while cooking. Just need to find them. One, 2, 3. So my lunch for today is ready. And as I have told you that in 30 minutes it will be dark, yeah, it is already dark. The time is 4:30 in Moscow and it's getting dark. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Hope you like it and enjoy it. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And don't forget that you may also donate to my channel by following the link. So stay safe. Bye bye.